Okay, we're in Savage, coming up to 143rd Street, and we've got a 4-level split entry. Normally you would be coming in from the garage there with a nice big mudroom area, a big foyer, and then come right in with your groceries into the kitchen here. You've got a nice little bay window here if you wanted to put a small table, nice pantry area, stainless steel refrigerator side by side, and the counter space, dishwasher, stove. And then from there you'd go to the dining area, which looks up into the living room, where there's also on that level up a half a flight of stairs, a couple of bedrooms, down a flight of stairs, a couple of bedrooms, family room with fireplace. A deck out on that level does need some significant repair, that deck. And the living room here looks out over a sliding glass door onto a deck that also needs some refurbishing. Backyard is fully fenced, great for a dog. There's some great built-in mini blinds in those windows. You've got a nice high ceiling over this dining area that's vaulted. Coming back here to the hallway, you've got a closet, a walk-through bathroom from the master to the left. And then on the other side is a bedroom. The master bedroom is got a vaulted ceiling going back overlooking the backyard. It's got a nice sort of little dressing area, walk-in closet that's rather large. And then here is a separate shower, separate tub, ceramic floor. And that is the first floor. We've got a 2-minute video here going. We'll keep going to the lower level where you've got brand new carpet throughout, a gas fireplace, built-in shelving, large family room, 2 bedrooms down here, and another bathroom with brand new luxury vinyl plank, 3/4 with a shower. 2 bedrooms down here. Here's one of the bedrooms. Full window, daylight window, the other bedroom with a closet. And then the 4th level down has the laundry area. The roof is a 2013, hot water heater 14, furnace 2015. Got a workshop area, furnace, hot water heater, and washer dryer. This is all insulated. Floor could get finished. It's got a sump pump over there. And that's about it. 3 minutes, okay.